Hi, this is a quick video to show you a little trick to do with PageScope Enterprise Suite Netcare Device Manager, specifically the multi-setting templates. It's going to let us set data to multiple devices, as you can see. Um, this is a handy trick to do when you have a particular machine set with a given category, setting the way you like it, and you want to quickly clone it to a bunch of other devices without having to touch them all. So individually. So here we go, multi-setting. And if you don't have any templates created, you're going to want to make one. So we just click Add. And for this example, I'm going to make a template that allows me to clone the ID and print settings. So specifically, I want to be able to take a machine that I've already set and told to release all the jobs instead of each individual jobs upon the card authentication. So I know that that's all under the user authentication settings, and from there I go to authentication method, or excuse me, the user authentication settings, and there's the ID and print settings. So if I turn that on, you can see this is the category I want, the ID and print operation settings. So we'll leave them all on, and now from here I just click apply to bring those settings into my template. Yeah, you'll need to give your template a name, of course. So once you save, there you go, give it a meaningful name, and then go ahead and apply it. All right, now we've got the template created. The next step will be to pull in those settings from a source uh, device. All right, so we're going to say get from device. And I know this top one here, this 160, that's set the way I like it. And the other one that I want to write to is not. So I'm going to use that one as my source. So I'll just go ahead and get from device. And that's going to pull in these specific user authentication settings for ID and print. You can see the ID and print operation is set to print all jobs. And that's what I want to clone to the rest of the machines, right? So I'm going to say OK to that. Now the next step will be to set that particular value to other devices. And so I can either apply it to a group of devices or set to specific devices, okay? So here's my list of devices. I can set it to I'm going to write it to my monochrome 754 here. That'll be a good one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click apply. Now, Netcare's device manager is actually taking those settings and applying them to that target machine. And we'll see if we drill down, it looks like that did hold. So I'm going to press OK, and I should get a confirmation screen. Good, that's a successful result, telling me that I was able to clone that setting from my source machine to my target machine. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. You're going to want to experiment with this, and you may find it helpful to create other templates with other settings to copy other settings, such as print without authentication or public user, that kind of thing. So we've done what we needed to do, so we can go ahead and log out. And it's worth noting that in order to write that data to the machine, there can be no jobs being run or users logged into the machine while that's happening. So just be mindful of that. Maybe you want to do it off hours or so forth, but I think you get the idea. Thank you.